Namaste students. Today we are going to discuss about the culture media for the animal cell culture. Media. What is the culture media? Culture media are the some growth requirements of the cell. Okay, that is the media which contains all the nutrients which are necessary for the growth of any kind of cells. The cells may be any microbial cells, any plant cell, or any animal culture cells. So these culture media contain some vitamins, nutrients, uh, carbon sources, energy sources, uh, which are necessary for the growth of any cell. As we know that we are growing the cells in the in vitro conditions. In the in vitro conditions, the cell need more complex media. But we are studying about the animal cell culture. Animal cell culture media are more complex than any other media because they need very complex media and the very complex natural conditions. So the culture media of animal cell culture are of two types, the natural media and the artificial media. The natural media is the media which contains some natural contents, and the artificial media is the media which may contain some artificial contents along with the natural media. So that are known as the artificial media. Now we talk about the natural media. What are the natural media? Natural media is the media which contain the biological fluids in their composition. Okay, what is the need of these biological uh, fluids? Because we are studying about the animal cell culture, and animal cell in the animal cell culture we need complex media, and the complexity is found only in the biological fluids. So that's why we are using these natural biological fluids such as our serum, coagula, tissue extract. ठीक? Okay. So these are the basic natural media. What are the natural media contents? The first one is clothes. The clothes are the basic requirement of um, the animal cells. So which type of clothes are used in the animal media? The plasma clothes are mostly used for the animal cell culture media, and they are suitable for the growth of different kinds of cells. At present time, these plasma clothes are not only used biologically natural conditions, but they are also available in the commercially liquid state. Okay, so they can be used in the laboratory conditions. Now, the second one is biological fluids. What are the biological fluids? Biological fluids are mostly used. They are mostly used for the natural media because these biological fluids are easily available. And what the biological fluids include? The amniotic fluid, okay, aqueous humoral from eye, insect hemolymph, and the serum. Serum, as you know, that serum is mostly used for the animal cell culture. Now the next one is tissue extract. What is the tissue extract? Extract is that any kind of tissue is uh, taken, and they are uh, decomposed using a enzyme so that we can use these tissue extract in the natural conditions. The examples is the bovine embryo extract is mostly used as a tissue extract. Mostly these tissue extracts are used for the differentiation of the cells. The next one is artificial media. Artificial media are the media which contains some extra composition of the media, which contains more content which are not found in the natural media. Okay, different types of artificial media are being used, and they are used for the survival of the cells because there are some conditions which need to be balanced. For example, the salt conditions need to be balanced. For the balancing of the salt conditions, we need some balanced salt solutions, which which maintain the appropriate pH. Similarly, for the appropriate osmotic pressure is also they are required these artificial media. Similarly, for the prolonged survival, these artificial media are required, and these artificial media are also required for the indefinite growth and some specialized functions. So these are the advantage of these artificial media. And the artificial media can be grouped into the four types. The media containing the serum is known as the serum serum based media. Serum containing or serum based media. The media which do not have serum are known as the serum free media. The chemical defined media which contains only the chemicals, and the protein free media which do not have any kind of proteins. We are going to discuss about these media in the next topic and next video. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.